In a dark alley, as the city slept, a tiny cry echoed through the silence. It was a kitten, all alone, so small and weak. Its stomach was empty, and its tiny meows were a desperate plea for help. People hurried past, their faces hidden by umbrellas as a sudden rain began to pour. Each drop felt like a hammer blow to the shivering little creature. It huddled under a leaking ledge, its hope fading with every passing minute. It tried searching for a scrap of food, but the rain had washed everything away. Its world was cold, wet, and empty. Just as the kitten's cries softened to a faint whimper, a shadow moved in the darkness. A larger cat appeared, its eyes glowing in the dim light. It watched the kitten from a distance, silent and still. For a moment that felt like an eternity, nothing happened. Then, the stray cat turned and vanished back into the shadows. The kitten thought it was alone again, but just a few minutes later, the cat returned. It was carrying something in its mouth, a small piece of food. Gently, it placed the morsel right in front of the hungry kitten. Hesitantly, the little one began to eat. The stray cat watched for a moment before disappearing again, only to return with another piece of food, and then another, throughout the long, wet night. With each small meal, the kitten felt a little stronger, a little safer. The rain finally stopped, and the first light of morning painted the sky. People walking by that day noticed something truly incredible. The kind stray cat wasn't alone. Tucked away in a dry corner, she had her own litter of tiny kittens to care for, even with her own babies to feed. This amazing mother cat couldn't ignore another soul in need. She had shared the little food she had with a stranger. Touched by this incredible act of kindness, people in the neighborhood stepped in. The lone kitten was rescued, finally safe, warm, and well-fed. The brave mother cat and her own kittens were also taken in, ensuring they would never have to face another hungry night on the streets. It was a powerful reminder that compassion can be found in the most unexpected places. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming stories.